Face ID is one of the best systems on the iPhone. What happens if you mistake cause Face ID damage? This video tutorial is about how the Face ID of your iPhone is damaged. Face ID is not available after changing the LCD. Why does this happen and how you can easily save your Face ID forever? Here I use the dot projector of iPhone 11 to give the reference. Let's test first. Here you can see all are normal. Let's clean with some cotton ball. This doesn't harm the dot projector while on a battery connected state, and you clean it. Let's recheck the dot projector, that is normal. Let's check with our bare hand. The dot projector was damaged. Here you can see abnormal shows. That is the main reason that Face ID is damaged on most of the iPhone. While the dot projector is at work and you touch it with your bare hand, the static energy produced by your body damages the dot projector. So always remember and care while you doing any hardware job. That's all for today. Hope this will help you in every step of the repair. If that is helpful, then don't forget to share and subscribe to support us. Hello, this is Akash from the Cellphone Solution, and peace out till the next time.